Well, hello. Let's discuss pry tool keychains. These pry bars, pry tools, pry keychains, some people love them, some people hate them. I was indifferent, really mostly unaware of them until just recently. Then I decided to, hey, let's give them a try. So I decided to check a few of them out. All these were purchased by me. Here's one I got off of eBay. This is made of a stainless steel. I'll put that on the screen right now. This one's kind of heavy and thick, so that's nice. It makes it pretty tough. It's got the bottle opener as well on it. This one's made by Maverick Customs. It's titanium. Oh, this one's about 4 inches long. This one's about 5 inches. Super lightweight. It's got the bottle opener as well. These are made by, I'm sorry, I forgot the name. It's on the screen now. These are titanium as well. This one's curved, a 3-inch. This one's a 4-inch. So you can see they're not as wide as those other ones. These have the nail pullers though, which is nice. And this one is curved, so you can get in and get a little more leverage. These are nice. What these can be used for is, of course, these for the bottle openers, for the everyday carry, of course, opening bottles, opening cans, like paint cans, soda cans. If the tab is like really pressed down, sometimes you can't get your nail or finger under there. I've actually used these a couple times for that. Actually get that under there and just kind of lift it up a little bit. Opening boxes, so you can save the edges of your of knives and scissors. They do have a few uses as well. I've also wondered, well, how can we turn one of these into a woods tool? So we're going to look at some of those aspects today. So with the small one here, I mean, you're not really gonna, sorry about the sun and the shadows. I mean, you're not really gonna get a scrape on this ferro rod. I mean, does it have any sharp edges? You're not really gonna get a scrape. Titanium is kind of soft, so it's not really going to work for those. The Maverick, a little bit on the Maverick, on the actual pry edge there. I thought about on this one perhaps taking a grinder and 90-degreeing one of these edges here. That might work. Also, perhaps putting a 90-degree one of the edges here, perhaps putting a bow drill divot in, and also same thing on this one as well, perhaps 90-degreeing an edge. See, I can kind of get a spark, but it's very uncontrollable with these. I think this one would be very fun because it's very thick to be able to put a bow drill divot in somewhere. Since this one has screws for the pocket clip, I think you'd be able to push that in. Or yeah, take those out and put that bow drill divot in so you can get a good grip on it without messing up your hands. So, pry bar, let's get to prying. Like, hey, why don't you use a baton? Why use a baton when I've got a mallet I could just bring? I mean, this is what they're for, right? It's prying. Let's pry some stuff. It's a wood processing tool, right? You know, if I want to be as, you know, use these for a survival, why not? I got a pretty good hole in there, so I pried. So it's kind of what I was thinking is, I'm out of frame, sorry about that, is, hey, why don't you save the batoning and use, ouch, these as a wedge. Might be kind of short to use as a wedge though, because who is really prying with their pry tools? I don't know, I didn't do much video views on the pry tools really, so I don't know who's really doing much prying. Knock my camera down. Just leave that in, because hey, that's part of what I said we're gonna do in these videos. Is it was gonna be real. Did I just bend? I did. I just made mine curved. I guess I pried a little too much with that one. Okay, those I guess are, oh shoot, I dropped it. I guess these are going to be made for light prying. Hey, there we go. Let's try this one again. Hey, light prying. Okay, there we go. I kind of wanted one of these 4-inch ones curved, so maybe I'll just leave that one curved. You know, with these two, even though they're super light, I don't know if I would carry them overseas, because I do some overseas travel, just because it says right there, I don't know if you can, oh, that won't work, if you can see it, but it says that, there it goes, made in USA, US government. That could raise some questions if you were overseas and somebody saw that and be like, I don't work for the US government, it's just what it says. So I probably wouldn't take these overseas as an EDC. I guess this bent because I guess titanium is soft, but I didn't think it would bend. The one I've been carrying the most is actually the Maverick Custom. It is a little long. I was carrying this one for a little bit, but it was kind of heavy, and I thought, hey, you know, I think I need one a little longer, so I did get this one. But I kind of think this one might be a little too long, and it doesn't have the removable pocket clip. But these two are definitely going to still be the ones for my everyday carry. I'm going to see about modifying this one though for some sort of woods carry, as I said. Perhaps find a way to 90 up degree one of these spines so it can strike the ferro rods better and create fuzz sticks, and also see if there's a way to put a bow drill divot in, because then I can remove that pocket clip, and that might be an excellent kind of multi-use woods tool. Then this one might actually end up being perhaps the everyday carry, and of course by 90 degreeing up that spine and putting that bow drill in, it'll remove a little bit of weight. But until then, this one is definitely going to be staying my everyday carry, and might actually still end up staying my everyday carry after this one's modified, just because, I mean, this one is still lighter and not as thick there. Also, I'm going to insert video of the bottle openers in action now. So let me know what you think about these, pry tools, not these in particular, or these in particular, but in pry tools in general. Yeah, let me know what you think about these as a carry option. And y'all have a great day and get outside. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.